Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I'm going to answer the question, what is the difference between a will and a trust? If you want to contact me and speak with me directly about this, you can find me through my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do so, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. The reason I'm going to talk to you about this today is because it is one of the most common questions that I get, and just received this question in the last couple of days, and I have not yet made a video about it. So here we are. What is the difference between a will and a trust? A will is a legal document where you assign property, whether it's real property or personal property, to beneficiaries after you've passed away. It can also name a guardian for your minor children if you pass away before they reach the age of majority. And you could create what's known as a testamentary trust through your will. A trust is an agreement between the grantor, who is the person creating the trust, you if it's your trust, and the trustee, which can be multiple people. It could be you at first and then someone else after you become incapacitated or pass away. It's an agreement between you and the trustee about property being held by the trust for beneficiaries. So to unpack it a little bit further, a trust owns property on your behalf during your lifetime and afterward, and passes it along to the beneficiaries that you choose through a trustee. Here's some more differences. A will is only effective after you've passed away. A trust is effective immediately and will work with you during your lifetime and afterward. Depending on the kind of trust that you create, you can make changes to it as many times as you want throughout your life. A will, you can make an amendment to it, but you have to jump through a ton more hoops in order to do that. So my next point is, not only with a will is it only effective after you've passed away, but to create a will is very difficult. There are a lot of rules surrounding it, and it's very easy to mess it up. Whereas a trust, it's a little bit easier to create, and it's more fluid, and it can do a lot more things. The next difference between a will and a trust is that a will has to go through probate. So yes, you heard that right. You probably know probate as the process in which your estate has to go through if you don't have an estate plan after you pass away. So it's a court process that your heirs, your beneficiaries would go through to basically receive the property that you had. But if you have a will, it doesn't avoid that. A will is submitted to the probate court, reviewed, and then if it's correct, the rules will be followed that you put in your will. If it's incorrect, it's going to go through probate as if you didn't have an estate plan at all. A trust, on the other hand, completely avoids probate if it's complete and you've put as much of the property into it as you need to avoid probate. So those are some of the differences. Other differences are that trusts can protect your assets in ways that wills can't, and I'm not going to go into the nitty-gritty details here, but the point is wills and trusts serve very few overlapping purposes and usually work in conjunction with each other. Not everybody needs a trust. In my opinion, every adult should have a will of some kind, but if you have a trust, it's not enough. If you have a will, it might be enough. Definitely reach out, talk to an estate planning attorney. Your situation is completely unique, as I mentioned before. If you want to talk to me about it, I would be happy to chat. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on my social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you and have a nice day.